So guys, welcome to my new video. I tell you how we told and rebuilt this car. First, we will take it to the repairing lab, then its engine what it needs, and after that we will start repairing it. Guys, I want to tell that after this car is ready, something like this will be beautiful, and with me in my video how strong and automatic this car will be ready and look beautiful. And then we're going to open up the engine and start working on it, and then we'll work on it, and then we'll paint what's next. After we paint it, we'll do the fitting. After fitting it, we will use some colors to beautify it so that it looks beautiful. You can see how his engine and car are completely finished and how beautiful it looks. Please give feedback.